start of the pandemic, getting on track with our health and wellness exercise might be a little challenging. Plus, we all know that the new normal put us into a work-at-home mode, which means that the old routine can easily shift to a whole cheat day chaos. Welcome back to How to Be, and before we go down to our new topic, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can access more of our videos. Short on time, hate the gym, too tired of your errands fiasco? These 5 easy-peasy workouts are just what you need. First up, supported warrior with hip flexor release. This is a standing pose that opens the hips and strengthens your legs. Warrior pose also promotes good posture and spine alignment along with core strength. It extends the arms overhead and promotes strong shoulders. If you're looking for overall body strength and flexibility, this is perfect for you. To do so, firmly hold the side of the desk with one hand, then step backward with the opposite foot in semi-lunge. Lift free arm up and over toward the desk. Make sure to breathe deeply 3 times, then do the other side. Next up is the one-arm doorway stretch. The one-arm doorway stretch improves flexibility and mobility in the chest and shoulders. This exercise will also increase the range of motion of these muscle groups. Place your forearm against the door frame, wall, or squat rack. Make sure your elbow is at a 90-degree angle, with your triceps parallel to the ground. Feet will be in a staggered stance. Using the structure to resist, try rotating your torso in the opposite direction until you feel a stretch in your chest and shoulder. Hold this stretch for the desired duration and return to the starting position. Next is the supported windmill twist. Like a good morning or deadlift, the windmill strengthens your hip hinge and stretches your hamstrings, keeping your knees bent with your hips and low back neutral. Inhale as you reach your right arm forward and rotate from your shoulder, mid-back and rib cage to twist open to the right, reaching your hand upward. Hold for 3 breaths, using your respiration to facilitate the twist. If your goal is to be better in tune with your body, add the windmill to your repertoire of movements. Next is wall angels. Wall angels or scapular wall slides are a good way to strengthen your back and fix rounded shoulders. This exercise is meant to flatten your shoulders, extend your vertebrae, and work the muscles of your upper back. To do this exercise, you need a flat wall to lean against. How to do it? Back up against the wall, arms at 90 degrees at shoulder level. Raise arms gently until it is difficult to keep back against the wall and then slide back down. Do this gently for at least 3 times. And last but not the least is the breathing bridge. This one of the simple routes to a perfect posterior. Here's how to master the glute bridge. Gently lay on the floor with feet flat at hip width, then raise abdomen and hips off floor but not arching back. Make sure to keep your torso straight. Lift gently 3 times while breathing deeply 3 times at each lift. Sitting too much can actually put our health at risk, and by doing so, but putting an ample effort to do these exercises can go a long, long way. Not to mention, it improves posture, reduces neck and back pain, and of course, boosts your overall health and wellness. Do these stretches at least an hour daily. Also, play a pop dance song to keep you pumped up throughout the whole sesh. Last note, make sure to consult your doctor before beginning any exercise program. Let us know what happens after you do all these exercises. Comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and click that bell while you're at it. Well, that's a wrap. Hope this helps, and until our next How to Be video.